welcome to News Talk 760 WJR. Last Sunday after the show, my son Andrew and I took off and we drove to Ripon, Wisconsin. So we're here to praise the Speed Queen products, to see how the product is made. We both know, Andrew and I, what a fine reputation they have.
Radio personality
Just a white-haired old man, that's all. Took us for a tour through the plant.
You're going to see today manufacturing space that was built in 1930s.
I didn't know what to expect because I've never seen anything like this.
We've been working on this history wall, 1915 to the current model.
They still have that old school way incorporated into the production of the stuff now. It's just an amazing thing.
Every single one runs through a test.
Quite a process.
Clean, very clean.
Yeah, LEDs.
Everybody was smiling. Very, very keen on safety.
Washing machine right here. Same thing I work on, but usually when I work on them, they're 25, 30 years old.
There's roughly 2,000 people work here. They're the ones on the work line building the product.
We work for them.
Yeah.
We have to behave that way.
Yeah.
Any team member is empowered to stop production, and we'll take a productivity hit so that we can build great product.
It's going to suck for me because you guys, this stuff doesn't break. What am I going to fix?
They seem to put the employees on a pedestal, and rightly so. Without them, they're really not Speed Queen. And they do it all by the way they do things for over 100 years. Unbelievable, just unbelievable. We're out in the field. We know what's good and what's bad. Now we know why Speed Queen is so good. And we'll take that message back to the general public as quick as we can. I'm fascinated with the whole thing. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud to be here and see this. You shine.